Also, no, another very interesting point that you brought up is, we tend to look at focused areas of youth, very important, obviously. I want to give you a quick example. A few years ago, we, like I said, we're all sports lovers, played a little bit in our time and now follow it avidly, whichever game it is or games. We started at Fountainhead, we started something called corporate games. Okay, corporate Olympics, corporate games. And I got to tell you, in 3 years, and I'm hoping to revive it again, in 3 years, we had 540 corporates participating. We had 8 disciplines, and it was not, well, I can't say it wasn't professional, but we dissuaded, professionals from participating. I remember chess, we had a couple of national champions or ex-national champions, and we very politely requested them not to participate. But the larger point being, we took fun formats. So it was the rink hockey or the smaller versions of cricket, the limited overs but very tiny. We took rink football and the likes. We had games for women as well, like throw ball. 450 odd or 550 odd corporates participating. In fact, the encouragement was to take it multi-city. We'd based it in Mumbai. So the larger point I'm making is I'm in complete agreement with the fact that it's not just about what we perceive as the business opportunity. You'll be amazed. If I play the sport and I relearn to enjoy the mannerisms or the traits, the characteristics that it helps me imbibe, I'll encourage the next generation to do it as well. So there's a transfer down, transfer up effect.